Hey guys, welcome back to L&D Home and welcome to another video. In today's video, we are going to be doing some random cleaning type things. What had happened was I just let a few things get a little bit out of hand, but I was very exhausted on this day and had a lot of stuff that I needed to do for work. So I decided that I was going to go ahead and set a timer for about an hour and see how much I could get done. So the first thing we're going to do is start with some laundry. I had lots of laundry to put away, but also some laundry that needed to go into a good cleaning cycle so that I could put it away later. Let me know down below if you have ever tried this tip. I've shared it here before on my channel where you set a timer for an hour, or sometimes you can do 2 hours, even 30 minutes, and see how much you can get done. I was just showing you some sprinkles that I bought from Aldi. I'm not sure if they're still on sale, but they did have the Unstoppables at Aldi when I went about a week before this. So I was just showing you that I got those on a good deal. But again, let me know in the comments down below if you ever set a timer for cleaning when you know that you do not have a whole day or a whole evening, but you just need to get a few things done and you don't want to overdo it. If you haven't tried it, it is an excellent tip. 30 minutes, an hour, whatever time you have, even if it's just 15. Try it and let me know how it goes.
What do I believe? What makes me feel it to write you this song?
I am also recording this voiceover with my mic, so let me know what you think about the audio. Do you like this audio or do you like my other voiceover audio better? Let me know which one you prefer. I have shared before how I put away my daughter's laundry is I just make her outfits. The reason I do this is because it is so much easier for my husband to get her out of the door in the morning when she has to go to school. So she can just grab a hanger. All of the things that she needs for that outfit is on the hanger besides, the undergarment things, but tank top, pants, shirt, jacket, whatever she needs for that outfit. And I do give her a few options so she can look and decide which one she wants to wear for that day. And yes, it doesn't allow her to be as independent during the school year, but it definitely allows to get out the door quicker, which sometimes is a little bit more important when we have to drive her about 30 minutes to go to school. Well, my husband does. I pick her up from school. He drives her to school in the morning. So definitely in the morning when we are on a time crunch, it is important for her to have her outfits all set out so he does not have to be running behind.
2 hours a day, 5 months and a year. Oh, I loved you too long. You keep blowing me out, I keep holding you in. I keep asking myself, oh, why do you still hurt? Why do you still hurt? Who's wrong and who's right? I cannot
I did also bag up some donations for Goodwill, some clothing that she has grown out of. She is now wearing adult sizes. So anything that's in a kid size that I notice, I just go ahead and put in a bag and take to Goodwill so someone else can enjoy that because she is no longer in kid sizes. We are now into the kitchen. My timer is still going. I am about a little bit halfway through at this point, not quite, doing the chores. And I am trying to move quickly because, like I said, I only set my timer for about an hour. I did go over about 10 minutes. I'm going to be real with you guys because I didn't hear my timer going off. My phone was set to silent. So I didn't even hear my timer going off this entire time. So I did run over about 10 minutes, but I was trying to go as quick as I could because I had some other stuff to do, like I said, for work. And I was just exhausted on this day. So I needed to have a good relax while I worked on my laptop. I am going to be showing you too that I did grab some new dishes from Target. We do not use fancy dishes in this house. We have some, but we don't use them. We use plastic cups, bowls, and plates. And I love getting them from Target. They are 50 cents each. So I am just taking some of the colors that we actually don't want to keep anymore. And I'm going to be putting them in a big box that goes to Goodwill of donations that I've just kind of started off camera. There's my big box right there. And I am going to be putting in the dishwasher the new bowls that I picked up. I can't remember if it's bowls or plates, but I picked up some new dishes from Target. I really like the black ones and the gray ones. And if you're into that peachy vibe, sometimes during the summer, they have some brighter peachy colors and things like that too. So check your local Target because you can get some kid-proof bowls and plates for just 50 cents each.
'Cause I'm sober tonight. I cannot escape. I'm here till it breaks. Oh, how my heart aches. You keep blowing me out. I keep holding you in. I keep asking myself, oh, why do you still hurt? Why do you still hurt?
So apparently I forgot that I did bowls and plates on my trip. And we did add a few more of the small bowls too to our collection. I am now just going into the cabinet and I'm getting rid of any of the plates that are really kind of scratched and gross. And then also the colors we're not really loving anymore. And again, I am not throwing these away. I am donating them to Goodwill. Now, if there was a bowl or a plate that looked just terrible, like it was scratched, it had gross stains on it, from spaghetti and things like that. I took the worst ones and I did actually end up throwing those away later because no one is going to buy that from Goodwill. But if it was just a color that we didn't like or it had some minimal wear and tear, I went ahead and added it to the Goodwill donation pile. Next, I'm going to be moving on to the living room. This is one of my key areas because we spend so much time here in the evening. It's where we relax as a family or as a couple if we don't have our kiddos on that night. Before we go to bed, I like to make sure it is nice and straightened up. I look at this room the most of any room in the entire house. So I like to make sure it smells fresh with my homemade Febreze, that the couch is looking nice. I give it a good vacuum so that when I am in this room or when I'm walking past this room, it feels so good and it is not a mess. This is one room I definitely want to keep not messy every single day. Even sometimes when I'm making my coffee in the morning or my breakfast in the morning before work, I will do a quick straighten just so I know that when I get home, hopefully it will still look like that.
We break up and you slam the door. I messed up on the bedroom floor. What the hell do we do this for? I push you out but you come back. That attraction, we can't fight that. Oh, keep telling myself that I should let go, but I hold on. And oh, keep telling myself that I should move on.
This is a newer cleaning tool for me that you are going to see here. This is the Tineco vacuum sweeper mop thing. This is not the newer version. That one was way too expensive. This is the older version, and I actually got it on sale, I believe, at Target like a long time ago. It is not on sale anymore, or at least the last time I checked. But I will have it linked down below from Amazon if I can find it, but also from Target or Walmart. If I can find a sale, I will put that link down below. But like I said, I can't promise it's going to be on sale, but I love this thing. It is definitely newer to me, but I use it multiple times a week. It is so much easier to keep the hardwood spaces clean when I have this because it does double duty. It vacuums and it mops at the same time. Now you do have to keep the inside clean and rinse it out and all that kind of stuff or it's going to get gross, but definitely this comes in handy. Even if you don't have a lot of hard floors, because we have a lot of carpet, I would definitely recommend this if you can find this on a sale. Because as somebody that has mostly carpet, I still use it multiple times a week. Now that my timer finally had been going off for 10 minutes, I am ready to light a candle, sit down on the couch, watch some, I think it's a murder show that I'm watching, or true crime. I should say true crime. It is a true crime show that I'm watching, and get some work on my laptop done. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful or at least entertaining. Make sure you check out the video and the playlist on the screen. And as always, smash that subscribe button so you can become part of our YouTube family. We have some exciting stuff coming up for 2024. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.